All right, data nerds, hold on to your keyboards. Do you know Fabric is brought to you by KratosBI, home of the data gods, funded and paid for 100% out of our own pockets from your donations and your support. No sneaky sponsors, no corporate overlords, and definitely no affiliation with any other company. KratosBI out.
Welcome to Do You Know Fabric? I'm Chris Wagner. This is KratosBI, and today we're going to be asking questions to a wonderful participant here about Microsoft Fabric. We are live in front of the T-Mobile Arena where Arun Ulog is about to give the keynote delivery for us. This fearless contestant is about to battle it out with Microsoft Fabric trivia to win big cash. Here's the scoop. You'll face 5 questions, each tougher than the last, with the prizes stacking up. 5, 10, 20, 50, even $100 if you conquer them all. Choose the best answer from 4 options. Okay. Only my answer key counts. Right. No exception, right? Get it right, your money grows. Get it wrong, game over. It's all or nothing for the best day ever. All right. Are you ready, Data God?
I'm ready.
Let's go. What's your name?
Ben Olson.
Ben, where are you from?
Minneapolis.
Holy cow, Minnesota representing. We've had 3 or 4 people from Minnesota today. So, all right, Ben, which question do you want? Perfect. Let's dive into it.
All right.
What is one way Microsoft Fabric helps organizations manage data? Is it A, by requiring all data be stored locally? B, by limiting access to real-time analytics? C, by focusing only on historic data? Or D, by centralizing data tools in the cloud?
D, of course.
D, that's right. Microsoft Fabric centralized data tools in a cloud-based SaaS platform, simplifying management and access rather than enforcing local storage, limiting real-time features, or focusing solely on historical data. All right, question 2 for $10. Which Microsoft Fabric feature allows users to explore data stored in OneLake visually? Is it A, Data Factory Canvas, B, Power BI Desktop, C, Lakehouse Explorer, or D, Synapse Query Editor?
The Lakehouse Explorer.
That is correct. Yeah. So you got $10.
All right.
Now we're going on to the $20. So it's real money now. It's starting to get up there.
Yeah.
What is the primary purpose of Microsoft Fabric's Data Wrangler? Is it A, to schedule data pipeline runs, B, to clean and transform data with code-free interface, C, to monitor compute usage across capacities, or D, to enforce security policies on data sets?
I believe it's B.
B, to clean and transform data in a code-free interface? Yes, that's correct. Data Wrangler in Microsoft Fabric offers a code-free interactive tool for cleaning and transforming data, integrating with notebooks, not for scheduling pipelines, monitoring metrics, or security enforcement purview. Good job. You've got $20. We're going on for, you want to go for 50?
Yeah, of course.
All right.
I'm in Vegas.
Yeah, let's go for it, right? Nobody's walked away so far, so good. All right, for $50. Which Microsoft Fabric feature supports versioning of data for auditing and rollback purposes? Is it A, Delta Lake tables, B, Dataflow Gen 2 snapshots, C, OneLake backup, or D, Synapse data retention?
A.
Yeah. Delta Lake tables? Yeah. That is correct. Delta Lake tables using in Fabric's OneLake and Lakehouse support data versioning through transactional logs, enable auditing and rollback of changes, unlike Dataflow snapshots, OneLake backup, or Synapse retention. It's policy-based. All right. So you got 50. This is $400. You want to continue on?
I think I lost all my money when I was up really big playing blackjack.
Yeah.
So I think I might actually take the money.
So you're going to take the money?
I'm going to take the money.
All right. We've got someone going to take the money. So you get $50. Thank you, Ben, so much.
All right.
Awesome. Here's your $50.
All right. I might not keep it very long because I might go to the blackjack table right after the conference, but we'll see.
Oh, well, hey, man. I hope you win with that, all right?
All right. Look at those pins. Can I get one of those?
Oh, we'll get you a pin too. Yes. Yeah.
I love free swag.
Heck yeah.
All right.
Here you go. Thanks, Ben. And thank you for joining us today on Do You Know Microsoft Fabric? We will see you next time. Have the best day ever. Peace.